Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be doing the video that I've been waiting for like 2 weeks. Be doing a Sweetie transformation look. I thought her name was Sauti. You know when like you read something in your head but like you read it in your own way, think of it like that for a long time, and then when you actually hear it how it's pronounced, you're just like, what the fuck, that's totally different. Bitch, I thought it was Sauti. I'm gonna be doing a like inspired look by her, wig and everything, bitch. The wig that I'm gonna be using is in collaboration with Trendywigs. I'll leave all the links down below. I'm dead ass gonna put this on, like I'm gonna glue it and everything. She inspired me so much to do this video because she looks so fucking good in a blonde wig. I can't find any of my eyeliner, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a like black smoky, like I'm gonna use black eyeshadow to make my eyeliner. My Lorac Pro palette. So it kind of looks like mierda on my eye right now. For my lashes, you want some extra ass lashes, you know, if you're doing this look or whatever. Pink Vanity Cosmetics eyelashes. I will leave links in description box below, like their Instagram and website. They're the style Charlotte and LA. Them are pretty similar, but LA is a little bit more boom. So that's what they look like. Holy shit, I already know I'm gonna like these. Look at the 3D effect, bitch. I also have their rose gold eyelash applicator. As you can see, I did use tweezers to apply them, but I like using this to squish my real lashes with my fake lashes together. I want to say these are the best, and I'm not just saying this, bitch. This is in the style Charlotte, so go copy yours. Light gold and almond pearl to highlight my brow bone. I just got my eyebrows done, so they're like extra fucking sharp. Clinique quick liner for eyes intense. Put that. I'm not gonna put it all the way though, because then I look hella Chinese, like if I didn't already look Chinese. On the outer corner of my waterline. So this is what the eyes look like so far. I already put some foundation on. You guys already know Too Faced Wednesday foundation. Underneath the eyes, I'm gonna use something different today. I have used it, I think I used this in my wedding makeup get ready with me video. Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick in 123Y365. I'm gonna put some on my forehead too, just a little bit. This day, I don't even know why people still come at me for like not putting anything on my forehead. Like, bitch, how are you gonna tell me how to do my makeup when you can't even fill in your eyebrows properly? My mom's in the kitchen and I'm out here talking shit. It's always people with like no profile picture, no name in their bio, private accounts trying to come at me like, bitch, show me a picture of your makeup so we can start criticizing you. Smoke my lower lash line, Calais. I'm gonna be using this Naked Urban Decay blush palette, bronzer, highlighter. Where I use this blush right here. Ooh. For highlighter today, I will be using the Becca Moonstone highlighter. The fuck? Wig time! You see that, bitch? If they don't give you like one strand of hair, bitch, they give you a whole ass, like it has a lot of hair. That's what I'm trying to say. Name of this wig is Elsa. It is a synthetic wig with 2 wig caps, black and white. Care instructions and some bobby pins. I need to go get a straightener. So before gluing it on, I went ahead and put it on still with the lace. I just want to see how it fits on my head and everything. Before I fully put it on, I'm going to be using this Schwartz. I don't know how to use this. I know that if you spray this, it gets a little bit sticky or whatever.
Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip top when they say I'm not hot. Are you got me?
Straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it right now. Looks like. What do you think? I'm ready to get my ass beat. Pa, ¿tienes $1?
Sí, cabrón, ¿por qué te soy vato? Pinche bruja, te ves bonita, no creas.
Jose, do you have $1? Do you have $1? My hair. Dude, how did you not notice? Dude, you looked at me like 5 times, bro.
Really diagonal or not?
No. But yeah, guys, that's the finished look or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This has also been one of the best wigs that I've reviewed on my channel. It looks real, bitch. Like, I didn't have to do much to it to make it look real.
I know it still looks fake, bitch, but like...
If you want to know where this hair is from, I'll leave it down below. But anyway, hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a... What am I doing today? How to glow up for back to school. This video is for both guys and girls. Don't think it's just for girls. If you look like trash right now and you want to look a little bit better for school, then continue watching. I'm going to be talking about like appearance wise and mental stuff. I'm gonna start with non-appearance things. The first thing is a clean environment. What I mean by that is like wash your cobijas, wash your blanket, clean up your room, because I feel like I sleep better when my blankets are washed. That's gonna be another thing, but yeah, you just want to have a nice environment, especially if you're planning to do homework in your room or whatever. You want it to be nice and tidy. Number 2, moving on to the sleep thing. So during the summer, I know we're all like accustomed to going to sleep like at 4 o'clock in the morning. I personally have like sleeping problems or whatever, so I have pills. Like if I wanted to fall asleep earlier, then I can take that non-medication type of way to make you fall asleep early for the first day of school. So like let's say tonight I'm gonna sleep deprive myself. Is that even the word? I don't know, but basically I'm not gonna go to sleep at all for the entire night. That way the next night I could fall asleep earlier. So third thing, set your goals. Okay, actually no, don't set goals yet. Okay. 3, reflect on last year. I would think about, okay, what were some of my problems from last year, some issues, and that would probably have to be like drama and stuff. So how can I prevent myself from going through that again this upcoming year? Would it be like having less friends or something like that, whatever. So yeah, reflect on your past issues from last year and think about how you could fix them and prevent them this upcoming school year. Number 4, set goals. Well, this can be specific or general. My personal goals would be attendance. So last year I would miss school for like retarded reasons.
Oh, fuck.
Not really, but like, you get me? Like I would want to fix my attendance, not be late as much, you get me? Moving on to the appearance wise. Start school in like a week or whatever. I should have probably done this video like 2 weeks ago, but whatever, okay. A week in advance, if you don't already do so, like fix yourself. A guy or a girl, hop on a skincare routine. I'm gonna film my skincare routine tomorrow, so clean your face, take off all the little mugres, put on a mask, a face mask. Afford a face mask, then make your own. I really hate when guys are like,
Ew, I'm not gonna do a face mask. I'm a guy that's gay.
Like, bitch, okay, taking care of your skin is gay, like, the fuck? But yeah, so hop on a new skincare routine. If you're a guy, you know, make sure to get your little fresh cut a couple of days before you start school so you can look good or whatever. If you're a girl and like you just gave up on life, like, do something new to your hair, dye it, cut it. Obviously I'm not gonna go like this to school, you know, I just wanted to get ready for the video, but like I would never go like this. Would I go like this to school? I don't think so. My dad would fucking clown me before even hopping in the car. If you can't afford to get new clothes or things like that, revamp your old clothes. Does that mean revamp? You have some regular jeans laying around, cut them up. There's like a lot of DIY videos, like DIY, recycle your old clothes, you know. I think that's it. If you have any more tips that you would like to share with my other subscribers, you can go ahead and like comment that shit down below. My social media links will be in the description box below, as well as where I got this wig and stuff like that. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Bye. so quick little clip or whatever. I just finished taking pictures. I can't snatch this wig because it's glued on my motherfucking head. So here's a little clip of somebody else snatching their wig.
You just snatched it off on camera like that?
I showed it.
And don't give a fuck.
And don't. I'm putting this shit right back on.
Oh.